There are three methods to solve this problem. First method one is we shall suppose say let the 3 points are A, B and C. Let A is equal to 1 comma minus 6, B is equal to 3 comma minus 4 and C is equal to 4 comma minus 3. These are the 3 points. In first method we shall prove that slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, or any two lines you can take. Slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. If we are able to prove this, it is proved that these 3 points are collinear. Now, this slope of AB we shall find out. Slope of AB formula is y2, any slope of any line having 2 points on it is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus. Slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now suppose A as x1 y1, B as x2 y2. Then slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Suppose then it implies ABC are collinear. Okay, we shall prove that only. Now find out the slope of AB, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is that? Slope of AB means y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 6 means plus 6. x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1. Now slope of BC, B suppose as x1 y1, C as x2 y2. y2 minus y1 means 3 minus 4 plus 4. x2 minus x1, 4 minus 3. 6 minus 4, 2 by 2. Here also 1 by 1. So here slope of AB is 1, slope of BC is 1. Hence we can say that A, comma B, comma C points are collinear, proved. Now we shall adopt second method. In second method, how will you do it? See, if ABC are collinear, length AB, BC, AC we shall find out. Okay. If length of two sides is equal to third side, then they are said to be collinear. Now second method. Now side AB we shall find out. Formula is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2. This way you find out the distance between 2 points AB. What is A? 1 comma minus 6. B is 3 comma minus 4. Suppose these 2 points are x1 y1, x2 y2. Root x2 minus x1. 3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 4 plus 6 whole square. How much it is? 2 square plus this also 2 square. 4 plus 4 means square root of 8 means 2 root 2. 4 into 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 root. This you take as result 1. Similarly, find BC. Take B as x1 y1, C as x2 y2. B is 3 comma minus 4, C is 4 comma minus 3. Root x2 minus x1 square means 4 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2 minus y1? Minus 3 minus 4 means minus 3 plus 4 whole square is equal to how much? 4 minus 3 means 1 square. Minus 3 plus 4 means this also 1 square. 1 plus 1 means root 2 it is. Let this is result number 2, BC length. Okay. Similarly, find AC. Suppose A as x1 by 1, C as x2 by 2. AC x2 minus x1 square, 4 minus 3 whole, 4 minus 1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, minus 3 minus 6, plus 6 it is. How much it is? 4 minus 1 means 3 square. 6 minus 3 means again 3 square. 9 plus 9, 18. Square root of 18 is how much? 9 into 2 you can write. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 root 2 it is. This is third. Now if you sum up any two sides, you should get the third side. See which one of these three sides is biggest one? This is AC is the biggest. Therefore AC must be equal to sum of remaining two sides. AC is equal to AB plus BC. If they are equal, if this equality is correct, then prove that ABC are collinear. What is AC? 3 root 2. What is AB? AB is 2 root 2. BC is root 2. 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is root 2 root 2. This is true. Therefore, we can say that ABC are collinear points. Proved. This is second method. Over. Now we shall take up the third method. Okay. What is the third method? See, if ABC are lying on one line, no triangle will be formed. If 3 points are non-collinear like this, then only triangle will be formed. If all the 3 points lying on a line means area of triangle will be 0. This property we shall utilize here to prove that these 3 points are collinear. A, B, C is there. What is A point? 1 comma minus 6. What is B? 3 comma minus 4. What is C? 4 comma minus 3. These 3 points you suppose as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now area of triangle ABC formula I will write. 1 by 2 mod x1 bracket y2 minus y3, x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. This is the area of the triangle formula. Substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is equal to 1 by 2 mod x1 is how much? 1 bracket y2 minus y3. 1 bracket y2 minus y3. y2 is minus 4 minus y3 is minus 3 means plus 3 plus x2 means 3 bracket y3 minus y1. y3 is minus 3 minus y1 is minus 6 means plus 6 plus x3. x3 is 4 bracket y1 minus y2. y1 is minus 6. y2 is minus 4 means plus 4. 1 by 2 mod 1 bracket 3 into minus 4. 3 minus 4 plus 3 means minus 1 plus 3 bracket 6 minus 3 is 3 plus 4 bracket 4 minus 6 is minus 2. is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 3 is 9 minus 8. This is 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 9 is minus 8 plus 8. This minus 8. 0 it is. Area of triangle is 0. Therefore, ABC points are collinear. This way we proved it.